With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question, and the question says a fan operates at 200 volt DC, consuming 1000-watt power when running at full speed. Its internal wiring has resistance 1 ohm. When the fan runs at full speed, its speeds become constant. This is because the torque due to magnetic field inside the fan is balanced by the torque due to air resistance on the blades of the fan, and torque due to friction between the fixed part and the shaft of the fan. The electrical power going into the fan is spent in the internal resistance as heat, call it P1, in doing work against internal friction and air resistance producing heat, sound, etc. call it P2. When the coil of fan rotates, an EMF is also induced in the coil. This opposes the external EMF applied to the current into the fan. This EMF is called the back EMF, call it E. So what are we giving is that E is equal to 200 volt, that is DC voltage, and internal resistance is given as 1 ohm, and the power that is being consumed is 1000 watt, right? So therefore, using this, therefore, current would be equal to P by E, since power is given as 1000 and E is 200. So this turns out to be equal to 5 ampere. So now the EMF induced E would be, so it would be E minus IR. There would be a drop of potential drop across the internal resistance. So that would be equal to 200 minus 5 into 1. So that would be equal to 195 volts. So our answer would be 5 ampere and 195 volts. That is option C is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.